Why, dude?
It's just a, it's this family, right?
You know what? We're going to get there, man.
I don't want to talk. You get out of here with it.
Whoa, yeah. Do you understand? Oh my Lord. I've done my fucking house. I've done my
And that is your fault.
No, it's not.
Yes, it is.
Bullshit. You know nothing about anything. Bullshit. They have no reason. They have no reason. They're not allowed to have that shit.
Oh my God. They have slingshots.
Bullshit. You want to walk? Come on. Who's the fuck's home? Let's go to the neighbor's house. Let's go to the neighbor's house right now.
Oh my
God. You're responsible for him. You idiot. You're the idiot. Do you see how you're acting? Oh my God. How much money do you get? He's from the government. I don't get any fucking money from the government. You idiot. You're an idiot. Oh my God. You're a psycho.